In the Arvada area, many households face the frustration of water heater issues. Lack of hot water, unexpected leaks, or strange noises emanating from your water heater are clear signs that something's amiss. Often these problems arise from sediment buildup, faulty heating elements, or even corrosion over time. But there's no need to endure cold showers or worry about potential water damage. Residents of Arvada, relief is just a phone call away. By dialing 888-501-1193, you can get in touch with qualified plumbing professionals ready to diagnose and solve your water heater issues. Don't let water heater troubles disrupt your comfort and daily routine. Call today and ensure you have the hot water you need when you need it.